We'll head down to a local creek and we're gonna see what's up. I'll see you guys there. And tied on a different colored trout magnet. Let's see if this one works. Sun's out, so this color should work very well. I don't know if I'm gonna get any bites though. Casted around that other spot for about 20 minutes, no bites, so probably gonna cast around this creek a little bit. I'm trying to find some slow moving holes. All right, we're gonna drop it right here. See if there's anything in this hole down here. I shouldn't even have to really drop it. I don't even have to cast it. I'm just gonna see if there's anything hiding under this log. Yeah, there's nothing there. I don't think these fish are really in this creek yet. I'm gonna keep going down. Actually, I'm not gonna, I might. Oh, it's kind of dangerous to walk across, but I wish I had some waders. If I had some waders, I'd wade it, but yeah, I don't have my waders. I'm gonna walk, see how far I can get. I'll hit you guys up when I find another spot. We're gonna fish this spot right here and see if there's anything in between these little snags. Just gonna drop straight down, not let it sink too far. Let's see if there's anything here. I don't think there is. This water doesn't look that deep. Oh, there is. I just saw something. Oh, I got it. Let's go. Oh, I dropped him into the... Is that a pumpkin seed? Oh, he's... Okay, buddy. I think this is a pumpkin seed. Come on. Come on, buddy. Ah! He fell like into... Yep, guys, this is my first pumpkin seed of the year. Yep, that's a pumpkin seed. See that, guys? Pumpkin seed. Sunfish. Finally. See, early creek fishing. And he has his spawning colors too. Pretty cool catch. Beautiful fish. I'm gonna release him. Come right back to where I found him. Found that fish sitting right on one of these logs. He was like right under it. We're gonna throw him back. I can't get down there. I don't have wading boots. Just gonna drop him in the creek. He'll be fine. Ugh, he belly flopped, but he went down. That was cool. Let me get my rod. All right, guys, I'm back. Found another hole that might have a fish. No current, and there's 2 tree logs. So what I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna do a different technique. Whoa, okay. I think I overspooled my line a little bit. Oh, that line just came out. All right, I'm gonna do a different technique though. I'm gonna drop it in. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a line like this so I don't get snagged. We're just gonna drop it down there in between these sticks. See if anything bites. Come on. There's gotta be something around in here. The destination. We're just gonna throw this trout magnet around. See if there's anything. See if there's any action in this little hole over here. All right. I see. I can tell people have been fishing here. I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's a lot of bobbers and a frog and like a crankbait, a bunch of crap in these trees. So yeah, people have been fishing here. This place has some pressure. See if, oh, forgot to open my bell. All right, let's see if there's anything in the water. Being goofy right now. All right. Still throwing around a 1/64 ounce trout magnet. Let it sink a little bit. I don't know if there's snags in here. There might be. Maybe it would be better to throw a spinner. I'm not seeing any. I'm gonna cast around the fall. There's a little waterfall over here. Oh, I got fish, guys. It was a crappie. Ah! Throw right back out of there, see if I can get another one. It's cool to see fish actually in here now. I let it sink for a while. See if we can get another fish. Oh, I got one. It is a bluegill. Nice little bluegill. This guy's really small too. I know that there's more species of fish in here. I'm trying to weed them out. All right, guys, he's going right back in the water. Clean release. And he's gone. We're gonna keep casting right here. Seems to be a little hot spot right now. Glad to see the fish are awake. Right under the rocks. Let's see if there's anything right next to that waterfall. Oh, I got bit. He didn't take it, but I got smacked. I'm gonna hit again. Something really small. All right. We're at the waterfall again. Nice. Oh, I got bit right there. You didn't take it though. You getting bit again? Come on, take it. All right, I'm gonna change my angle. We're gonna cast straight across. I'm being bit. Oh, got a fish, guys. It is another, what was that? Something just jumped. It is a, oh, crappie, let's go. Let's go, that's what I was looking for. This is my first crappie of the year, guys. Let me see what type it is. It is a white crappie. Wow. Oh, look at the adrenaline on him. Look, he's shaking. Full of adrenaline. Let me go ahead and take this hook out of him. Dude's scared for his life. All right, let's go ahead and make a clean release. Go ahead, buddy. You have a lot of energy. It's good to see the fish highly energized after that brutal winter. Nice. I saw something jump over to my right. It could have been a carp. Oh, another fish, guys. This is, let me keep his head up. Another crappie again. Wow. Guys, found a crappie hotspot. These are keeper size. This is a nice one too. This one has eggs. So I'm gonna throw her back. It's another white crappie, guys. You can identify crappies. Oh my gosh, she is shaky. You can identify crappies by their bars. So if they have straight lines like this, that means they're a white crappie. If they have specks all over the place, that means it's a black crappie. Ouch. All right, let's go ahead and get this trout magnet out of her mouth. Right on the side of the mouth. Ow. Her bars are really getting me. All right, there we go, guys. She's going right back in the water. Full of energy. And look where she's hidden. She's hiding right under the stump. That's where they go. All right, guys, I'm gonna keep casting. This is awesome. Let me get this slime off my hands, though. These crappie are very slimy. Ugh. Don't want this slime on my rod. Fish on. This is a little crappie. It is a all right. I think this is a black crappie. Yep, this is a black crappie, guys. See this, how the specks are random? This is a black crappie. Beautiful little guy. So the black crappie, he has specks that are like random. There's no lines. The white crappie has lines. So this is a different type of crappie. This is the black crappie. He's going back in the water too. All right, he's back in the water. Getting hit again, little strikes. Okay, do it again. This place could have bass. I did see something jump out towards the site on my right earlier. Could have been a carp though. Oh, I got a fish, guys. This is a very little, what is this? It is, it's a very orange bluegill. All right, buddy. Wait, is this a bluegill? Yeah, this is a bluegill. He's just orange. Yeah, another bluegill, guys. Throwing him back. Let me get the slime off my hands. Ugh. Oh, he's on. I got another fish, guys. It's another bluegill, I think. Yep, another bluegill. This spot's really producing. Whoa. All right, buddy. All right, dehooked. Throwing it right back. This spot is really producing for me, guys. Got Oh, another fish. It's a, oh gosh. He's snagged in the, hold up. Hang on. Got him out. All right, this is another bluegill, I think. Yep, another bluegill. Little guy too. There you go, guys. Another bluegill again. There we go. Throw him right back in. Get bigger. I'm gonna walk down. We're gonna fish. How far can I go? It's gotta be, I gotta like let it drop a lot more. It's a weird angle. See what's in front of this little creek mouth. If there's anything there, it must have hit. Oh, I got a fish. Oh, I got a fish. Let's see what this is. It's another bluegill. All right. Another bluegill. Trying to see if we can get some. I want to see if I can catch a red breast sunfish. Ouch. Okay. Well, he's back in the water, guys. Oh, I think I have another species. It might be a bass. I'm not sure. Yep, it's a bass. Let's go. Okay. Here we go, guys. First largemouth bass of the day. That's what I was looking for too. Here we go. Get him unhooked. There we go, guys. Little dink bass. Put him back in the water. And he's gone. But I got another crappie. This is another black. Wait. This is another black crappie, I believe. All right, he's going back in. Whew. Dude, what? Something's hitting at it and he's not getting caught. Guys, got another fish? Yep, this one's bigger. Hold up. Oh yeah, this one's bigger, guys. Oh no, it popped out. Dang, that was a bigger fish. I don't know what that was, but it was big. No. Guys, I'm gonna tie on one of these frogs. Let me see what I got in here. Alright, that's our wire. Here are my frogs right here. We're gonna tie on that green one. Alright guys, I'll let you back up when I tie the frog one. Water frog fishing. I want to see if I can get, I don't know where this place runs. It looks like a lake, very shallow lake, but this place is tidal. So I want to see if there's any snakehead back here. Let me put my camera down a little bit. Alright. See if there's anything. I want to see the top water frog. We'll see where this place runs. I'm not seeing any fish in here yet, guys. No bites yet. Oh, something struck it, something struck it. I didn't see the fish, but something definitely just struck it. We'll throw it right back there again. We'll let it fall off the falls. Alright guys, I got a strike. Just changed the battery. Another fresher. We're gonna see if we can get another. I want to see if I can get a top water bite, guys. There's definitely something in this pond that's very sizable that jumps at frogs. And it's brown. I don't know if it's bowfin or snakehead. And I was saying that I had like the falls over here, it's like kind of tidal. The water went down. So this connects to the Delaware River. So it wouldn't surprise me that if there was something like snakehead in here. I'm gonna go back to, actually I'm gonna cast around here one more time. What the, is that like the smallest carp ever? That's it. Today was a good day. Had a lot of fun. I caught a decent amount of species today, and they were all my first. I caught my first pumpkin seed, caught my first bluegill. No, not my first bluegill, but I caught my first pumpkin seed. I had my first red breast sunfish on the line, but it popped off. I also had my first black crappie, my first white crappie. That was good. Now, these next videos are going to be me targeting bigger fish. I want to see if I can target the snakehead. Stay tuned. It's going to be nice.